Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, URI encoding and decoding are essential for handling special characters in URLs. When URLs are transmitted over the internet, certain characters are reserved for specific purposes. For example, spaces are not allowed in URLs and are usually encoded as %20. URI decoding is the process of converting these encoded characters back to their original representation. ####. What is URI encoding and decoding? URI encoding, this converts characters into a format that can be transmitted over the internet. Characters that are not allowed in a URI, like spaces, punctuation, etc., are replaced with a % followed by 2 hexadecimal digits that represent the ASCII value of the character. URI decoding, this converts encoded characters back to their original characters. ###Java's java.net.uri and java.net.urldecoder. Java provides classes in the java.net package for encoding and decoding URIs. The URI class is used for handling URIs, while the urldecoder class is specifically used for decoding application/xwww former encoded data. ###. Example of URI decoding in Java. ###. Step 1, import required classes. You'll need to import the java.net.urldecoder class to use its methods for decoding URIs. Step 2, decode a URI. You can decode a URI string using the urldecoder.decode method. Below is an example demonstrating how to decode a URI. Explanation of the code. 1. Import statements. The required classes are imported at the beginning of the file. 2. Main method. The main method is the entry point of the program. 3. Encoded URI. A sample encoded URI string is initialized. 4. Decoding. The urldecoder.decode method is called with the encoded URI and the character encoding, UTF-8 in this case. The decoded string is printed to the console. 5. Exception handling. The decoding process can throw an unsupported encoding exception, which is caught and handled appropriately. ###output. When you run the above code, you should see output similar to this. ###summary. Use java.net.urldecoder to decode encoded URIs in Java. Always specify the character encoding, UTF-8 is commonly used. Handle exceptions properly to manage unsupported encodings. This tutorial should give you a good understanding of how to perform URI decoding in Java. If you have any further questions or need more examples, feel free to ask.